The Operation Jazir Storm continues. For 7 days, fighters have been advancing against ISIS on the Iraqi-Syria borders. Tonight, fighters are out on the operation in ISIS-controlled areas.
هسه الرفاق عم يتقدمون على الحملة على دواعش الإرهاب مع معنويات الرفاق ولله الحمد معنوياتهم عالية وبإذن الله إن سوف وين ما يفرون سوف نلحقهم.
The morale of fighters are full of hope and freedom. The east of the Euphrates River is witnessing crucial days. ISIS is now reaching its end as the Syrian Democratic Forces are advancing through the lost remaining pockets controlled by ISIS.